Fixed screen? Limited view? Glare during bright conditions? Now, experience a more flexible and comfortable. The package includes the mount body, installation tools, and detailed instructions. Everything is ready for a seamless installation. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the robust structure provides stable and smooth rotary dampening. Part 1. Safety Prep. Always power off the vehicle before installation. Part 2. Remove original screen and bracket. Remove the temperature sensor trim panel and carefully disconnect its cable. Use the 10mm/T25 wrench to remove the screen bolts. And rest the screen on a protective cloth. Be careful with the cables when lifting the screen outward. Use a hex wrench to remove the screws. Remove the rear cover trim panel. Remove the two plugs connecting the screens. Remove the rear cover plate. Part 3. Install swivel mount body. Secure the new bracket to the center console mounting bracket. Insert the new cover plate and thread the 3 cables through the openings in the plate. Reinstall the original screws that were previously removed onto the rotating bracket. Part 4. Connect cables and secure screen. Thread the white and red ends through the new rear trim panel. Connect the wire ends to the screen and close the cover plate. Secure the cover plate with screws. Lift the screen and mount it onto the rotating bracket. Secure the screen using the screws provided in the packaging box. Part 5. Reinstall temp sensor trim. Remove the temperature sensor. Install the temperature sensor on the new trim panel. Connect the temperature control connector. Install the temperature panel to complete the installation. The screen achieves 40 degrees of free rotation and supports vertical micro adjustment. Easily position it for the optimal viewing angle. The screen remains stable with no wobble, even on rough roads or during sudden braking. Effortless single-hand operation for safety and convenience. Optimize the driver's navigation view and significantly reduce distraction. Elevate the passenger entertainment experience with a personal theater. It maintains the original screen height, integrating seamlessly with the vehicle's design. Visit Tesery.com now for more information. Your Model Y/3 upgrade starts here.